When it comes to home improvement projects, few upgrades impact your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal as much as a new door installation. Whether you're replacing an aging entry door or upgrading to an energy-efficient model, one key factor determines the success of your project: local expertise. For homeowners in Rowlett, where hot summers, strong storms, and occasional humidity fluctuations are part of daily life, hiring a local door installation professional is essential. Local experts understand the region's specific building standards, weather patterns, and architectural styles, ensuring that your new doors not only look great but also perform beautifully for years. Here's why choosing a local Rowlett door installation company makes all the difference for your home. Understanding Rowlett's climate and weather conditions door performance depends heavily on proper installation and material choice, and those decisions are best made by professionals who know Rowlett's North Texas climate. With long, humid summers and periodic heavy rain or wind, doors that aren't properly sealed or fitted can develop air leaks, warping, or moisture damage. Local installers have first-hand experience with these challenges and can recommend weather-resistant materials like fiberglass, steel, or composite doors that stand up to Texas heat and humidity. They'll also ensure your door's frame, insulation, and thresholds are optimized to prevent drafts and water infiltration, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. In short, local expertise ensures your doors are built and installed to perform in Rowlett's unique weather conditions, not just in theory but in practice. Knowledge of local building codes and regulations. Every city has its own building codes, energy standards, and permitting requirements, and Rowlett is no exception. Hiring an experienced local installer means working with someone who's familiar with these regulations and ensures your door replacement or new installation meets all compliance standards. This not only saves you the stress of paperwork or potential fines but also guarantees that your new door meets safety and energy efficiency certifications specific to Texas. From proper fire ratings to Energy Star compliance, local professionals ensure every detail aligns with Rowlett's residential standards. Precision installation that enhances security and efficiency. A door is only as good as its installation. Even the highest quality door can fail to perform properly if not installed with precision. Local door installers have the hands-on experience to ensure every component, from hinges and frames to weather stripping and locks, is aligned perfectly. This attention to detail not only enhances security by preventing weak points but also improves energy efficiency by sealing out air leaks and outdoor noise. For Rowlett homeowners, that means lower utility bills, fewer maintenance issues, and greater peace of mind knowing your door is properly fitted for long-term durability. Tailored recommendations for local architecture and style. Rowlett features a mix of architectural designs, from traditional brick homes and suburban ranches to modern new builds. A local door expert understands these design trends and can recommend door styles that complement your home's appearance while improving functionality. Whether you're looking for a bold front entry door, elegant French patio doors, or energy-efficient storm doors, local professionals can help you select options that enhance your home's curb appeal while matching neighborhood aesthetics. They're also familiar with popular local finishes, colors, and hardware styles, small details that make a big difference in overall design harmony. Faster service and ongoing support. One of the greatest advantages of hiring a local Rowlett door installer is accessibility. If an issue arises after installation, such as alignment adjustments, seal maintenance, or hardware repair, local experts are nearby and ready to help. Unlike national chains or out-of-town contractors, local companies build long-term relationships with their clients. They rely on their reputation within the Rowlett community, so you can count on personalized service, prompt responses, and trustworthy follow-up care. This means your investment is protected, not just at the time of installation, but for years to come. Boosting home value with local quality craftsmanship. Professional installation by a local expert not only improves your home's comfort and security but also adds long-term value. Buyers appreciate homes with high quality, properly installed doors that are both stylish and energy efficient. By working with a Rowlett-based company, you're investing in craftsmanship tailored to the local environment, ensuring that your doors enhance both your home's performance and market appeal. A smart choice for every Rowlett homeowner. When it comes to upgrading your doors, local expertise truly matters. From understanding the Texas climate to meeting city codes and providing reliable follow-up service, Rowlett's local door installation professionals deliver unmatched precision and peace of mind. By choosing experts who know your community, you'll enjoy doors that not only look beautiful but also perform efficiently, protect your home, and stand the test of time. For Rowlett homeowners, professional local installation isn't just a service, it's an investment in security, comfort, and lasting quality.